Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have all my Godzilla characters here. Not all of them. I still have those big guys up there, but we're going to talk about these ones for now. So first we got this one. He's fake, but it's okay. I at least have him. We got all my NECA ones. So these ones are... This is my Shin Godzilla NECA one where the head fell off, so we glued it back. Here's my first Godzilla figure. It's my NECA 2014 Godzilla. Here's my GMK NECA Godzilla. I think we have a few more NECA ones. Yeah, we have the first we got the first Showa era NECA Godzilla. I'm not sure. I don't really like Godzilla anymore, but I just kind of like forgot what they're called. Then we got this Bandai Godzilla. Here we have most of my playmates. We got a few King Kongs. We got the regular Kong. I think he comes with like a weapon or something, but then we got this guy. It's okay. Then we got this guy. I got him on my birthday. He was on a birthday cake. Then I remember these two were so hard to get back in 2020. If you found these, oh my god, these were so hard to find. Then we got our Space Godzilla. There we go. We got the two big crystals on his shoulder. Then I got this at Toys R Us. A little a Bandai Spirits Godzilla from Toys R Us. Take him out. Yeah, there you go. He's pretty small, very cute. And wait, let me just put him back on the stand. I think he deserves something. I think he needs a little Nutella and a little Starbucks. Can he actually wait? Oh, wait, can he? Wait, please tell me. No, here, buddy. Wait. I said eat it. Take the goddamn Starbucks. This is $300. Starbucks is expensive. Just eat it. Okay. I don't think he likes Starbucks, but anyways, we got that little guy. We got our little King Kong that looks like a. It looks like someone got a spray paint just sprayed all over him. Like you know, you get those like spray paint. It looks like someone just did that. So I think that's not really that good. But we got this guy with a little airplane. Very cool. Got this Mecha Godzilla, which I ordered online. It's very expensive. And I think we could take his chest plate out. So there's that. Then after, he's very hard to... Okay. There we go. We got our Mecha Godzilla. Close his mouth. He looks pretty weird. He looks like he has, I guess, like what the hell? Why is his jaw like that? But anyways, we got King Kong with the battle axe. Look at that. Yo, look at that. Ooh, you know, we got him with the little battle axe, you know. So yeah, guys, just wanted to show you all my Godzilla figures, and you know, hope you have a good day. And yeah, bye. Take the goddamn Starbucks now. Okay, bye. Take the goddamn Starbucks.